In this video, I'm going to show how to erase memory on TCMs and ISM on Mercedes-Benz using the CGMB device and software. What you really need is this tool over here, obviously the cable, this cable, the OBD2, and also you need a 12 volt for the power. So you open up the software. Once you have it connected, this is connected with the plug that comes on the box, or you buy it separate. This unit is already cleaned or erased. So first you do read, click read. What it would do is it's gonna read the VIN number, serial number and part number, and all these other numbers over here. So next step is you need to get erase password. You click here, get. It'll connect to the server. It says erase password calculated successfully, and press OK. And the other thing you have to go is hit erase. What it does, it'll uncheck activated, personalized, and FBS4. I'm gonna connect another unit which is not erased, so that's already programmed to another car, and I'm gonna try to erase it, showing step by step. So right now the other unit is connected, and I'm going to read it and erase it. So we go here, TCU, click read. The previous unit was from an ML. This one is from a C class based on the VIN number. So as you can see over here, the activated is checked, personalized is checked. So what we need to do is get password first in order to erase it. If you need to store this data, you can store it, or if you have to do any other information, you can take a photo or whatever it's easy for you. So basically, in this case, once you clear the memory, then you need to program it. This will not program it. What you need to program it is, it's either have a Vidiamo or have Zentry. Most likely you're gonna use Vidiamo. I'm not sure about other softwares and tools which I don't use, so I normally use Vidiamo to reprogram those components. So what we're gonna do now here is get the code. Only have 40 times. Erase password calculated. Click OK, and then hit erase. Erase successfully. click OK. Now you just go back and read it one more time and you'll see this will disappear. As you can see, this has already disappeared. You can now put this in another car and get it programmed, but most of the times these units have a problem with speed sensors that crack or break or any other issues. So let's say you replace a transmission and you cannot program this unit, which is already in a transmission, pulled from another car. You have to erase it. You can do it while it's in the transmission. All you have to do is connect these cables to it and erase it. So what we're gonna do next is the servo module, or ISM, or there are different names, shift by wire module. So basically you have to go down here, ISM, DSM, ESM, these are all their names. In this case you have to use a different cable. The cable looks more like the original harness. All it needs is OBD2 connection and the 12 volts to pretend it's on the car or being powered by a car. So this is the unit we're working on. This is the cable. This cable comes with this resistor on the back. It's looped over here. I removed this, for some reason it didn't work, so I had to remove it and then start working. If you get one of these cables, check for this resistor. I disconnect it. It works perfect without. In some applications you have to have it connected so you can connect it back, but you also have to look at the diagram as far as the connection. So this just plugs in here. You need 12 volts. Plug the OBD2. After the harness it's plugged in, we'll go here and read. Also, this unit came off of a GL based on the VIN number. Basically the same thing, we have to get the password to erase it. Erase password is calculated successfully. As you can see, it's got personalized and activated. It's checked. We go here, erase. Click OK. And read. And these are unchecked. So now to program this, I normally use Zentry. Install this in the car, connect every harness, and do a relearn or teaching process. So what it does, the computer will tell you to follow some steps. You basically select park, reverse, neutral, drive, and go back to park. That's takes maximum 10 minutes, and that's how these are programmed or relearned in a car. Now if you have non-matching part numbers, that's usually an issue. So the best way is to find another one used, pull the one you have in the car. Some models is really hard, like a 4-door or a 2-door. SUVs are a lot easier because more room, but you have to remove this part in order to get the exact part numbers, so you will get a good part and a lot easier to program.